Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 29th of June, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair Euro/USD made an attempt to grow, rising to the level of 1.1350, but then lost ground, dropping to the center of the Murray trading range near 1.1230, where it is now being traded. After the breakout of the midline of Bollinger Bands at the level of 1.1270, growth may resume to 1.1352 and 1.1474. If the price consolidates below the June minima at around 1.1167, a decline is possible to the levels of 1.1108 and 1.0986. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are directed upwards, but MACD histogram is declining in the positive zone, and stochastic is pointing downwards. The resumption of growth is more likely after the breakout of 1.1270, but the continuation of the decline is not completely excluded. Last week, the pair GBP/USD rose to the level of 1.2540, but then corrected down and is now trading at 1.2329, coinciding with Murray 5/8. If the price consolidates below it, this will give the prospect of a decline to 1.2207 and 1.2085. The level of 1.2451 is the key for the bulls. After consolidation above it, growth may continue to 1.2573 and 1.2695. Technical indicators generally confirm the possibility of a decline. Bollinger Bands and stochastic are pointing down, a MACD histogram has moved into the negative zone and is forming a sell signal. During the week, continued decline seems more likely, but the beginning of growth after the breakout of 1.2451 cannot be completely ruled out. Last week, the pair USD/JPY fell to the lower border of the Murray trading range at 106.25, after which growth started. Currently, quotes have approached the midline of Bollinger Bands, from which a reversal and the beginning of a decline to 106.25 and 105.46 are possible. The level of 107.81 in the center of the Murray trading range is the key for the bulls. After its breakout, growth may continue to 108.59 and 109.37. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are reversing down, and MACD histogram is declining in the negative zone. Stochastic is directed upwards, but is approaching the overbought zone, which is fraught with the reversal. The resumption of decline seems possible, but growth after the breakout of 107.81 cannot be ruled out. The pair AUD/USD has been trading within the main lateral range of 0.6958, 0.6835 for more than 2 weeks, and so far cannot leave it. Currently, the price is at the lower border of the trading range, and if consolidated below it, may continue to decline to 0.6714 and 0.6591. Otherwise, growth will resume to 0.6958 and 0.7080. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands move to the lateral movement and narrow. A MACD histogram decreases in the positive zone. Stochastic is pointing downwards. This week, the pair is likely to remain within the specified lateral range. Entrance to the market will become possible if the price goes beyond its limits. Last week, gold quotes broke through the upper border of the Murray trading range at around 1750 and reached the level of 1779. Further growth is possible to the level of 1812.50, coinciding with Murray plus 1/8. The level of 1750 is seen as the key for the bears. If the price consolidates below it, this will give the prospect of a decline to 1718.75. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are reversing upwards, MACD histogram grows in the positive zone, but stochastic is pointing downwards. Generally, the continuation of growth is more likely, but one cannot exclude a decline in case of the breakdown of 1750. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.